Not much defending going on out there. Where are the tackles? He's tried his luck. So close.
Well, that's a decent strike. He's entitled to have a pop at the goals from there.
Long clearance. Dixon. Has a swing at it. Oh, that was close. Here's Johnson. Going for goal. Oh, he's off target.
Well, that just gives the goalkeeper something to think about. He now knows that whenever this guy gets a chance, he'll have a shot.
Low. There's a good understanding in their play at the moment. Looks a good one. Disappointing cross. Didn't really stretch the defence. Low. Real chance. Hits the post. Looking to win the ball back. Might have a chance. Ooh, I thought that was just going to creep in for a moment. Tries a shot. Oh, he had to go full stretch to get to that. Made that ball his. Terrific defending. He's tried his luck. Big men are up from the back. Going for goal. Oh, that's a really good save. Now, what can they produce from the corner? Strikes it! Off target, I'm afraid.
He's done well to get himself into a good situation, but he's missed the target.
You know, coming in today, I didn't think this game was going to be as close as it is.
Well, you're not wrong, Clive. Talk about David and Goliath. Blimey, these teams couldn't be further apart, but they're making a real fist of it.
It's a real chance. Oh, so close to taking the lead. Chance here. Pump downfield. Attempt on goal. Off the post. Made the save. It's still anybody's. Reed. Has a shot. It's scored. Thought it was going over for a moment. Just clipped under the crossbar.
Ooh, striker's relieved about that, Clive. That nearly went over the bar.
Worth another look, Andy. Another angle. Intense pressure. Tries a shot. Ah, yes! They really are beginning to get away now. Worth another look at this skill and technique there. Exchanging passes. Opportunity here. If that had gone in, they would have put some real daylight between themselves and their opponents. Now, will he get the ball over? Having a go. Oh, that wasn't a a million miles away.
That was close. Close enough for the goalkeeper to have to think about that one.
They've got men forward here. Who's on the end of this? Good stop, but who will he fall to? He's found some space. Oh, no, it was there on the plate for him. He could have made it so much easier on them there. And that's the end, and it finishes 2-0.